Hello and welcome to my Sunday Farm. Today we're gonna make this Oreo baked cheesecake mix, and we're gonna use a box of cheesecake mix. This is 3.4 ounces of instant pudding. We're gonna use both egg replacers, neat egg and or grand no egg. I'm gonna use some Mexican vanilla and some coconut milk, and also a half a cup of applesauce, which is 1 cup serving. And so let's get this open. This baked cheesecake mix. This also comes in no bake, but I accidentally bought the baked one, so I set the oven so that way it can heat up. And I greased a pan. And like I said, I didn't know it was baked, so I have to improvise with all these other ingredients. But let's see what it comes with. It comes with pieces of Oreos. This is the cheesecake mix. And this is the brownie mix, which is the bottom, the crust. And I didn't know that it was like brownie or whatever, but I mean, so let's just open this stuff and get it started. And I'll just pour each one into different bowls, separate bowls, and we start from there. I think I should just use a knife. So I have a knife. That way I can just open it. Open it from the side, that way it won't spill everywhere. And just pour it into the bowl directly. And then I'll add this box of cheesecake mix. Into the bowl. Make sure it's all out. And then we'll work on that first, that way we can make sure that one's squared away. So the first thing I want to add is some neat egg, just to make sure it's binding proper when it's baking. So it's like one spoon is 1 egg. And you don't really need much, and I don't really want to color it, so I'll add that much, just a pinch, and then I'll use this one, which is more for meringues and stuff. I'll use this one as kind of more the actual binder. That looks good, because like I just want the colors to be more what we're going for, and I think the chia seed is kind of the one that's gonna darken the mix for the top. And the top is a marbleized with fudge mixed in. Some of that brownie batter gets mixed in the top, but I don't want that. So I'm just gonna mix all this stuff up together, as you can see. That way it's still gonna bake up proper. No, this is like choco flan. If you guys ever had choco flan, it's like the bottom is cake, the top is flan, and this one, the bottom is brownie, and the top is cheesecake. And then we'll add liquid ingredients, and I'm gonna use this Mexican vanilla. And some applesauce. And that way this can bake proper. I'm using the applesauce because it replaces like margarine. So I'll use a bit of that. And you can mix it in just so. And then to make sure that it's all covered, you can add some milk to it. Which I have here, coconut milk with a little shake. And I think the filling, let me see the filling. Well, the pudding calls for 2 cups of milk. And it doesn't really have one for the filling. So we'll just kind of eyeball it. I think that's good. So I'll just leave it at that. And I mean, if we need to, we'll keep going. It's actually looking like chocolate fondant and cheesecake. But it's, I mean, it's all good. I got that vanilla in there. So and it's kind of a little too thick for me. So I'm gonna keep adding milk as I go. So, I don't know, this looks good to me, but I don't know. I think it's supposed to be like batter. And then we'll do the brownie. So the brownie, let's see what it calls for. For the brownie, you need half a stick of butter, 1 tablespoon of water, and 1 egg. So, like I said, we're gonna replace the butter with applesauce. get this all in there. And dump this in there. And get some this basic egg mix, and also the chia seed one, which is more kind of like authentic. So I'm gonna measure probably like a couple spoons in here or more, and give that a good mix. Like I said, this is gonna act like our crust, and get as much milk to make batter, just to make the batter. That looks good. Real chocolatey, real delicious. Look at that. Almost looks like double sweet cake mix. It's just fudge, regular fudge brownie. I think from what it says, it's just fudge brownie. And let's see, that looks good. So then you just put the brownie batter down. Like so. And just smooth it out. Like you want to smooth it, like level it out. Well, I already greased it, so it's kind of okay. And then you just want to put this on the top. And then that looks good. Just scrape so that way it's enough, because I feel like I didn't make enough. mean, at this point, like, I feel like it's not enough. But we'll just marble it anyway. My bowl just melted. Sorry, guys. Making rookie mistakes. And then you just like swirl it around. And you get these cookies. And just pour them in. You can crush them, make sure they're small. And you just pour them in on the top. Like that. And kind of just level it, I guess. You can just level it, and also you can give it another swirl if you want, and get that all in the batter. And then you just put it in. I'm gonna put mine in like this. Looks really delicious, actually. So I'm just gonna pop it in like this, and we'll be back when it's done. Okay, welcome back. This is piping hot, but I mean, I kind of want to get a piece and see how this baked up. It's literally not rested, and I know I should rest it, but I want to get a piece so bad. It's like really, really squishy. So let's give it a taste and see how we did. That's really good. It didn't burn or anything, so that's a pretty good deal. Let's see if I can dip it in milk. It's super good dipped in milk. I'm gonna eat this off cam, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. My So Different. Bye bye.